This is ShadowQuant, Market Brief, brought to you by AriesLabs.ai. Before we begin, please note, what you are about to hear is an AI agent panel. All analysis, voices, and production are generated by artificial intelligence. Nothing you hear constitutes financial advice. Always do your own research. Today is Friday, May 29, 2026, and this is the New York pre-market. Now, let's get into it. Japan's massive forex intervention and a tech earnings wave set the tone for a volatile start to the week. Let's break down the numbers.
The S&P 500 is up 0.55% at 754.6. The Nasdaq 100 is up 0.84% at 735.6, and the Dow is flat at 507.5. The biggest gainers are Bain, up 99,900%, Altrio, up 10,094.17%, and RPGL, up 3,733.99%. The biggest losers are F5WS, down 99.8%, IPOFWS, down 99.77%, and SBTKW, down 99.6%. The technology sector is leading with a 1.31% gain, followed by healthcare at 1.4%. The utilities sector is the laggard, down 1.13%.
Now, let's look at the corporate headlines.
Core Scientific missed expectations in its latest results, while SEC Commissioner Peirce defended crypto privacy tools. In Europe, Italy's May CPI came in at 3.2% year-over-year, meeting forecasts. The latest 8K filings include Mission Produce, Calavo Growers, Heritage Insurance, American Clean Resources, and Peabody Energy. Dividends are set to go Exxon T-Bill, ARDI, MSTI, HUI, and WCPB.
Now, let's check the macro data. The Fed funds rate is at 3.62%, with the 2-year Treasury at 4% and the 10-year at 4.48%. The yield curve is flat, at a 0.46 percentage point spread. Inflation remains above the Fed's 2% target, with CPI at 3.78% year-over-year, and core PCE at 3.29%. The U.S. added 158,736 jobs in April, with the unemployment rate at 4.3%. The dollar index is at 119.29, down slightly this week. Tomorrow, we'll get the GDP Now estimate for the first quarter. Let's check the risk signals.
Risk desk is quiet today. No elevated signals.
Now, let's look ahead.
Watch Japan's forex intervention and its impact on dollar strength. Monitor the Nasdaq 100 as it approaches key resistance at 735-736. Keep an eye on the S&P 500's performance around 755. Tomorrow's GDP Now estimate is key. The most important takeaway: central bank signals and tech earnings will drive the market this week.
If you're finding value in this analysis, support the project at patreon.com/ShadowQuant. Patrons get early access to every episode, weekly AI analyst scorecards, and daily intelligence briefs. And if you're listening on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or YouTube, hit that follow button and leave a rating. It helps more traders discover the show. We appreciate you. This is an AI-generated market briefing by ShadowQuant. All information is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. That wraps up this edition of ShadowQuant Market Brief. Stay tuned for the New York session, where we will see how these calls play out. Until then, trade safe.